breaking you stink footage, guys. We're going where they're going. We're going where they're going, guys. That's what we're doing. Wherever they're going, that's where we're going. They've been up here tearing up the ground. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all hear it too, though. So where they going? I don't know where they're going, but we're gonna get a ride tonight, yo. Damn lights. Getting mixed up, like I was just then. We're gonna ride a little far away from them, though. Y'all see him? Gotta keep up with them, guys. I don't know where these guys are going with. That's where we're going. Guys, here we are. Where are they going to? Where's everybody going, guys? You know? Y'all get down in that comment section. Tell me what you think. Oh shit, I don't know if I can keep up with them, but y'all see him. Y'all see him. Damn, looks like we're going. Oh, look at the police up there already. That's where they're going. They're going to that parking lot. Fucking police. Police already fucking with everybody. We're gonna go anyway and see. Then we're gonna head back. You know what I'm saying? They done open Atlanta up, boy. That coronavirus, they done open Atlanta up, let these people out. They unshut the city down. And this is everybody out and about enjoying. Oh my gosh, look, y'all guys. Oh my gosh, look what they're at. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! We got another one, y'all! Oh my gosh. Oh wow, guys. Look. Crack the windows down. Y'all see him? Damn, why they come up here? Y'all see him? You don't want it too blurry, but we don't want it too little either. We want to see. See the police ain't, man, they messing up everything. Man, y'all see it? Y'all see it? Look at it, more action, let it go. And that's where we're going. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Look at him, guys. We work this camera off. Alright, y'all see better? Man, they so crazy. Fucking APD, man. Y'all hear him? Look at this, guys. They're not letting nobody turn. They're making everybody go straight up. Y'all see it? Fucking with everybody. It's alright, guys. We gonna go where he going. Shit. We on the hunt. They just chasing them all over the place. These guys are gonna find somewhere to comment. Now they probably gonna go up here where another lot is. Y'all hear them? Y'all hear the footage? Y'all hear it? I'm getting that footage, guys. This is what I'm doing for my. This is what I'm doing for my people. Look at this. Won't get hit though. Shit smashed all up. See the Mustang? Y'all hear him saying? Yes, YouTube! YouTube, baby, YouTube! He YouTube me. Thank you, man! Yeah, boy. Y'all said I'm out here in the footage, man. Look at this footage. Guys, I don't know where it's taking me to. Might be going up to the Kroger Plaza. Looks like that's where everybody's headed. Y'all see it. Atlanta is opening up. Atlanta's mad. I don't know what they mad for. Let these people enjoy their lives. Shit. Damn, I wish I was in the middle up there with actually the police is all up and down the strip. Jesus Christ. What are they mad for? All in the filling stations, y'all see them, look at them. All in the filling stations, keep people from doing anything. Well, they're not keeping me from doing anything. Cause getting where this footage is, y'all. Somebody's in here making a bunch of noise. I almost dropped the camera. Shit. I'm trying to watch the people too, guys. You know what he's sipping on? Ain't no damn Coca-Cola. Y'all hear him. Listen to him. Listen. Y'all see him? Y'all hear him. Where they going though? I'm trying to see where they going. It's another fucking meet and greet. Guys. I don't care about the water right now. I'm going where the action is, guys. I'm getting this footage for you guys. 167 Gang Nation. Let's see where they head. We ain't gonna follow my little road. I know where I'm at, so I'm not lost. But, listen. Look, guys, y'all hear them. You see them and you hear them. They probably get ready to hide out somewhere at a meet and greet somewhere. This is back in the neighborhood and shit. Now, they probably ain't gonna do nothing in this neighborhood. But they probably going somewhere where it's happening. Y'all see them? There's a ton of cars behind me. Y'all see all them cars back there? See them? Oh shit, guys. Look what these niggas got me. Y'all see them? I don't know, but I'm going where they going. Now I really ain't gonna know where the fuck I'm going, guys. These Bohemian Mexicans is taking me all over the world. That's okay, that's where we're going.